Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to revoke access for apps in your Microsoft account OneDrive. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, navigate to your Windows desktop and open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you regularly use for accessing web services. Once your web browser window has opened, you'll need to head directly to the Microsoft Privacy Management page. In your address bar at the top, type account.live.com/consent/manage and press enter. This URL takes you straight to the page where you can manage all app permissions connected to your Microsoft account, saving you time from having to navigate through multiple menus. It's the quickest way to access the security settings you need. After entering this address, you might be prompted to verify your identity. Microsoft does this to ensure account security and confirm that you're the legitimate account owner before allowing changes to sensitive permission settings. If the login screen appears, simply enter your Microsoft email address in the first field, then type your password in the second field. This authentication step is crucial because it protects your account from unauthorized access and prevents someone else from removing important app integrations without your knowledge. Once you've successfully logged in and the page loads, you'll see a list of all the apps and services that you've previously granted access permissions to. These are third-party applications that have been connected to your OneDrive or other Microsoft services at some point. The list shows you exactly which apps have access to your data and what level of permissions they hold. Take a moment to review this list and identify any apps you no longer use or trust. When you've found the app you want to disconnect, locate the Remove These Permissions button next to that specific app. This button is usually clearly visible beside each app entry in the list. Click on this button to revoke the app's access to your Microsoft account and OneDrive data. By removing these permissions, you're essentially cutting off that app's ability to access your files, folders, and account information going forward. This is an important security practice, especially for apps you no longer actively use. And that's it. You've successfully revoked app access in your Microsoft account OneDrive, giving you better control over which services can interact with your data. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.